I am Parimal Parag, Head HR and Admin from ACG Capsules. We are one of the leading high quality hard shell capsules provider to pharmaceutical and nutraceutical industry. We have been associated with Lindstrom from last 7 years and the experience has been very valuable. Earlier, we used to manage laundry in-house, but it is very difficult to manage consistency, compliance and hygiene. With Lindstrom, we have complete traceability of the garments, audit-ready documentations and uniform that meet international standards. Their end-to-end service is very convenient and cost-effective. It also supports sustainability through recycling and reduced resource use. This partnership has taken away the burden of garment management and it allows us to focus on our core business of capsule manufacturing. Thank you, Lindstrom. We care, we shine, and we grow together.